Hi, namaste, Tasidile. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you improvised stitcher. First, we have to coil this rope. So we'll make casualty coiling. For casualty coiling, what you have to do is you have to leave one arm length. After that, take full arm length and keep over your palm like this. Again, go on like this. This. Do not coil the whole rope. Leave at least 2 arm length of the rope to tie the bunch together. The one which you left earlier, so with that rope you have to make something like this. So we call it butterfly. Keep like this. After that, with the remaining this rope, this end, you have to tie this bunch like this. Take from this loop inside like this and keep follow this process until you reach the end like this. Yeah, well, after that, pass this into this loop. Now pull this one. So if you pull this rope gets tight like this. So this is called casualty coiling. After making casualty coiling, what you have to do is keep this on the ground and divide this into 2 parts like this. After this, what you have to do is you have to tie this bunch. So tie this bunch. You can use for that you can use cord or any thread which you have. So first what we'll do is I'll release this one, then I'll tie this bunch like this. So here you can make any knot whichever you feel comfortable. So I'm tying a reef knot here because it's easy for me. And same thing here also, tie this bunch as well. Again, I'm tying this bunch, so you have to follow the process like this. So here also you can make a reef knot or any other knot which you know, right? After this, what you can do is you again divide this bunch here like this, and this also half, both side. So here first you need this type of sling, or you can use cord. So first join this cord or tape sling. After that, the middle one, choose the middle one, tie over here this bunch with middle of the like this. So here also you can use reef knot, as I'm using reef knot like this. Then again with this tight and tie here again like this. So here also you can use a reef knot like this, like that. So here also you have to tie this one, same thing. You can use any knot. So here I'll just make a simple thumb knot. This done. So you need one more here. Just half again, just like this, like that. So again, same thing, for the same process with this two. So come on, this is for me. So here I'll tie like this. Like this. safety. See here? Yes. So this is your improvised stretcher. You should lay the casualty on stretcher in such a way that the middle part of the stretcher is placed on lower back of the casualty. Oh, yeah. So these two loops which you have made earlier now need to be joined together to make your casualty secure. And if the loops are short, then you can use another cord to join them. Like this you can join, or you can connect these two like this. Now repeat the same process on the lower part of the stitcher, where you have to join the loops together. For that you can use carabiner or cord. To carry the casualties safely, you need at least 4 people. Thank you.